Hello dear students, you are watching online lecture for class MA English final year. This is a channel made by Government KMGC College, Neemkathana, specially for the regular students of PG English Literature. As you all are promoted to final year and new to this session, let me give you my brief introduction. I am Jyoti, Assistant Professor English, posted at Government KMG College, Neemkathana. So students, this is the time where you should know about your final year syllabus program, and you can see a PDF of syllabus on your screen. Dear students, there are total 5 papers in your exam scheme, and in which 4 of them are compulsory and fifth paper is elective. In this video I will briefly introduce you to your syllabus. So let's have a look. As you can see on your screen, this is the annual scheme of MA Final English, and you can see this is the paper first literary theory. In this paper you have 3 sections as per section A, section B and section C. In section A you will read Aristotle, Bharata, John Dryden and Pope, and in section B you have to read S.T. Coleridge, T.S. Eliot, Mulk Raj Anand, Salman Rushdie, and in section C you will read Ellen Showalter, Bill Ashcroft Gareth, Murray Krieger. And at the last of this syllabus there is a suggested reading, a handbook of critical approaches to literature by Wilfred L. Guerin. Now students, you can see that this is a paper of literary theory, and in this you will read about the famous and prominent English literature critiques like Aristotle, Bharata, S.T. Coleridge, Mulk Raj Anand, T.S. Eliot and Ellen Showalter. In this paper there you have to attend 5 questions all, and you will select at least one from each unit, and all questions carry equal marks, 20 question per 20 marks per question, and there will be of total 100 marks. Now let's go to the section of paper second. Paper second name is 20th century literature, poetry and drama. In this paper also you have to answer 5 questions, and in which question number 1 will have 8 passages, and from 8 passages you have to explain any 4 passages that you are fully confident about, and all questions carry equal marks. One of the question in the paper will be on the literary moments and background pertaining to the authors prescribed. So you can see that there are also 3 sections, section A, section B and section C. Of total 5 questions, one question will be of explanation, and other 4 questions you have to select one question from each unit, and so that the total will be 4. In section A you will read W.B. Yeats poems, When You Are Old, To a Shade, A Bronze Head, Lapis Lazuli, 1919, and last Sailing to Byzantium. If you want to read the text, you can take the text from A Pocket Book of Modern Verse by O. Williams. Next writer in this section is T.S. Eliot, whose work The Westland you have to read, and next writer is Philip Larkin, who has written 4 poems that are prescribed in your syllabus: Toad, Coming, At Grass, The Whitsun Wedding. And the last author of this section is Ted Hughes, whose poems are Pike, View of a Pig, Hawk Roosting and Thistles. Let's come to the section C. In section C you will read 2 writers, G.B. Shaw and J.M. Synge. In section C you will read S. Beckett and Harold Pinter. As you can see, the paper name is 20th century literature. So in this paper you will read poetry and drama. So section A is related to poems, and section B and C are related to drama. There are suggested reading also. Part 1st and 2nd of volume 7 and 8 of New Pelican Guide to English Literature by Boris Ford. Second suggested reading is Arthur Marwick, British Secretary since 1945. And third suggested reading is the book written by Ronald Hayman. Fourth suggested reading is written by Catherine Worth. Fifth is Andrew Motion, and sixth is The Achievement of Ted Hughes. These are the books from where you can collect text of the prescribed authors. Now let's come to paper third. The name of paper third is 20th Century Literature, Prose and Fiction. In this paper also you have to attend 5 questions all, selecting one from each unit. All the questions carry equal marks, and one of the question in the paper will be on the literary movements and background pertaining to the authors prescribed. There, as you have seen earlier, in this paper also there are 3 sections: section A, section B and section C, and at the last of these you are given suggested reading also. So let's come to the section A. In section A there are writers: George Orwell, a very famous essayist of English literature. Second is V.S. Naipaul, and third is Bertrand Russell. Students, you will read George Orwell, some of the essays I am telling you now. From Inside the Whale and Other Essays, you will read essays Inside the Whale, second Down the Mine, Shooting an Elephant, Politics and English Language. And the author V.S. Naipaul's work India, a Wounded Civilization, you will read in this section. Bertrand Russell's 2 essays are given here. First essay is Ideas that have helped mankind, and second essay is Ideas that have harmed mankind. And these 2 essays are from Unpopular Essays. Now let's come to section B. In section B you will read fiction, and the 2 writers given here are James Joyce, whose work is A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man, and the second writer in section B is D.H. Lawrence, whose work is The Rainbow. In section C you will read 2 authors again. That first of them is Virginia Woolf, whose work To the Lighthouse you will read in this section, and second work is The Toy Shop, written by Angela Carter. Now we will read the suggested reading books. The first suggested reading is part 1st and 2nd of volume 7 and 8 of New Pelican Guide to English Literature by Boris Ford. And second suggested reading is a book written by Richard Ellman. Third is by Arthur Marwick. Fourth is by Malcolm Bradbury. Now the fourth compulsory paper is Indian Writing in English and in Translation. In this, as you have seen in the last 3 papers, this 4th paper also consists 5 questions, selecting one from each, and there will be a question number 1, in which you were given 8 passages for explanation, and from 8 passages you have to explain any 4 passages and reference any 4 passages for explanation with reference to the context from the starred authors. As you can see, there are marked stars on before the name of the authors. All questions and other first question is of explanation, and other 4 questions will be essay type questions containing at least one from each unit. All questions carry equal marks. One of the question in the paper will be on the literary movements and background pertaining to the authors prescribed, as you have seen in other 3 papers that we discussed. Now there are three sections in this paper also. Section A, all the poems are from the following poems from an anthology of Commonwealth poetry edited by C.D. Narasimhaiah. So the first writer in this section is Sri Aurobindo, whose two poems are given here, The Stone Goddess and second is Surreal Science. Second writer is Nissim Ezekiel, and whose poem is Goodbye Party for Miss Puspa T.S. Third writer is Jayant Mahapatra, whose one poem is given here, A Monsoon Day Fable. Next writer is A.K. Ramanujan, whose three poems are given here, Love Poem for a Wife, Small Scale Reflection on a Great House, and Alama Prabhu. Next writer is Kamla Das, whose poems are Words, Spoiling the Name, Someone Else Song. And the last writer of this section is K.K. N. Daruwala, whose poem is Pestilence in 19th Century Calcutta. Next is section B, and in section B you will read the Indian writings and the Indian writers. The first work is here, Final Solutions by Mahesh Dattani. Second work is Tail Danda by Girish Karnad. And next work is Nationalism in India, Construction is Creation and What is Art. These are written by R.N. Tagore, means Ravindranath Tagore. And the last work in this section is Hind Swaraj by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Now let's come to section C. In section C, there are three works by different three writers. First work is Raj Mohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. In section C, second work is Ice Candy Man by Bapsi Sidhwa, and the third work is Sangati Events by Anant Murthy. And there is one more, Samaskara by Anand Murthy and Sangati Events by Burma. Suggested readings. In suggested readings you can see that K.R. Srinivas Iyengar's book Indian Writing in English, and the second suggested reading is M.K. Naik's book Dimensions of Indian English Literature. Now you can see that on your screen there are some of the elective papers. Paper 5, as I have told you earlier, that paper 5 is of elective, and there are some options. Option A, Applied Linguistics and Contemporary English Grammar. Option B is American Literature. After that, option C is Women's Writing, and option D is Post-Colonial Literature. After that, there is fifth option, that is ELT and Translation. Now let's get the brief intro about these papers. In paper A, option A, you will read about the linguistics and contemporary English grammar. In this paper, you will read about the contemporary criticisms and about the methods of teaching, like grammar translation method, situation method, bilingual method, and communicative language teaching. You will also read discourse analysis, coordination of clauses, coordination of phrases, focus, theme, and emphasis in section C. In section B, you will read elements of grammar, noun phrase and verb phrase, adjective phrase. So the conclusion is that this paper is totally related to linguistics and grammar. Option B, that is of American literature. In this paper, you will read about 19th century American literature, considering the authors like R.W. Emerson, W. Whitman, Emily Dickinson, Robert Frost, William Stevens. These are the poems written by the authors, you can see on your screen. And in section B, you will read the authors like Arthur Miller, O'Neill, And in section C, you will read the authors like Anne Hawthorne and Henry James, Ernest Hemingway. Third option is of women's writing. So, as the name suggests, that in this paper you will read the most prominent female writers of English literature, and in paper 5 you will read about the post colonial literature. Post colonial literature considering the countries that were before colonized by British, and now after their colonial period, some of the writers that got prominence in English literature, you will read in this paper about these writers. And the last option is ELT and translation. In this paper, you will read theories of language learning, approaches, methods, and teachings of pronunciation, teaching of reading and writing, teaching of vocabulary and grammar. In Unit 3rd, you will read about what is a good text, testing of language elements, concepts and types of translations, and you can see that there are many suggested reading also given here on your screen. So these are the 5 papers in English literature in MA Final English course, and as I have told you that there are total 5 papers, and from them 4 papers are compulsory and 5th paper is elective. I have told you about what are the elective papers. Which paper would you like to suggest? This is up to you. But for regular students of KMGC NKT, we have option A, that is applied linguistics and contemporary English grammar. So that's all about the syllabus of MA Final English. Thank you very much.